You can communicate with the suspect with both hands on your handgun while basically pointing your handgun at the suspect's chest, like this cop is doing, instead of going back and forth between kind of pointing your gun at him and kind of not. I understand that one way or another, if the suspect does decide to close distance, you are executing a ready up drill, which you should be intimately familiar with executing regardless of your posture with your firearm. When you're not deliberate, the ability for the suspect to be on top of you before you can get a real good opportunity to land a hit in the upper A zone, which is likely to incapacitate the suspect, turns into, I can point shoot at that distance, which is usually just an excuse cops make for abandoning the fundamentals of marksmanship.